So, were you serious about wanting to get rid of those 2 or 3 Alberta spruces in the front yard?
Oh, yeah, the backs of them are all dead and dried out, but I've had them there so long, I have no idea what I put there. You'd have to talk to your dad about it.
Come over here, show you what we're going to be doing. All these shrubs can get popped out. Waterfall is going to start up there in that corner, just underneath that window. Going to come along here, multiple drops. Right here is going to be the basin.
Last job of 2018 for Puts Ponds and Gardens. Let's hopefully we'll go out with a bang and mom and dad will be surprised. And all right, so we got the shrubs out right now, and the basin's pretty much shaped up. We're gonna have a pump vault here, 3 large aqua blocks here, multiple drops. We'll have a drop going into the spillway or into the basin, another drop right before it. Zach's got the trench for the piping almost done. We're gonna hand dig a lot of it. Multiple drops coming up, twisting and turning. Didn't plan on it, but we're going to do 2 spillways up on top. It's going to be supplied by a 3-inch flex PVC. We'll downsize that to our connections to 2-inch. We're going to run an Aqua Surge 4,000 to 8,000 gallon per hour pump. And yeah, that's about it. So for tomorrow, we're going to receive our boulder shipment. Hey, good morning. This is Dan with Puts Ponds and Gardens. We're here up at Haley Stone, Auburn Hills. We got tons of boulders here, literally, no pun intended. We've got 3-footers right over in here. We've got 1 to 2s. We've got 18 to 12s, or 12 to 18s. All right, we got a lot of the rock work done. Little spots we're gonna foam in, get the water to jump over the top of the stones, gravel in the streams, and then trim off liner and things. But that's a little reveal of what we got now. Tomorrow, like I said, we'll do a little bit more and get some water flowing in here for you tomorrow. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.
So, it's been a little bit over a month since the pondless waterfall has been installed. I am here with my parents to follow up and ask them a few questions as far as what people are saying that are coming by with the holidays, birthdays, and stuff like that have come in the past month, and also what their expectations are come spring and summer of the pondless waterfall. So, what have people been saying? You've had holidays here, you've had events, birthdays, stuff like that here. What is some of the stuff that they've been saying?
Well, I guess for beginners, everybody that comes over, they look at it, and it's still that kind of shock and awe. They look and they say, "Wow!" I mean, they take a step back, looking at what was there before or prior, and then going into that pondless waterfall. They're kind of overwhelmed, to say the least. They love it. They think it's very nice. It's very attractive. It goes well with the landscape that we have. Everything kind of just fits right in and plugs right in. Neighbors have driven by. They pretty much, a lot of cars have stopped and actually got out and had to come up and take a peek at the pondless waterfall. And I've had some people kind of look at the sign.
What they all have to say, and I can't wait till the summer, once the landscaping gets put in and maybe some lights and the finished product's actually there. We have a lot of, dog walkers, and already cars kind of stop and comment how beautiful it is. And I know that it's something that we're enjoying, but I feel like it's the neighborhood's enjoying too as they walk with their pets and that.